I know inquiring minds are wondering, but we could only hope it was so clean, right? Let's do another one. Craziness, right? Let's see if we can get one more. There we go. Now, these are loose because I did loosen this last night, but I forgot to do a video and show you guys what they all kind of look like last night. So there you are. They're all pretty decent, right? I'll do the other side later today. Come on. I really love that YouTube gave me 3 minutes to do stuff. Oh, did I tighten that one back up? I need to loosen that one up. But anyways, there it is, you guys. We pulled some. I'll pull some more later today. The other side. I did get a adapter for the hoist for the stand. Got to take this Weber carburetor off, but I got the little fucking whatever you call it hoist. I also went and got a whatchamacallit, a stand from Eastwood so we can put the 454 on. Waiting for a few more extra things to come in from Eastwood, actually. So, but yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Nothing too crazy. Waiting for the interior guy. Waiting for my probe to come back. Slowly but surely. Have a good day, everybody.